Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to give our 2017 Raptor a serious lighting upgrade and a more complete look. The F-150 Raptor is an absolute monster, but it can use some help with off-road visibility, so today we're going to be installing this LED fog light kit. This LED fog light kit is designed to easily bolt onto the factory bumper of your 2017 to 18 F-150 Raptor. It comes with two heavy-duty steel brackets that mount a KC Flex light and a Rigid Industries Dual Pro spot and floodlight for some insane light output when off-road. Black bezels are also included to give the front of the truck a more complete look. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Tools you'll need for this installation: 1/4-inch ratchet, 10mm socket, an extension, 3/8 ratchet, 13mm socket, 5mm hex key, 13mm wrench, 17mm wrench, and basic wiring tools. Okay, the first thing we're going to do for this install is assemble our bracket. If your bracket did not come with the U-clip nuts already installed, you're going to want to install them first, and then we'll move on to installing the bezels. To install the bezels, clip it up top first, and then push up from the bottom, and it'll snap into place. And these are labeled P for the passenger side and D for the driver's side. They are side specific. Okay, we can now mount the lights. To install these lights, we're going to use the hardware that comes with the brackets. You will need to use some washers and spacers to properly space this to make it fit. So we're first going to put on this rigid light, a thick washer, then a spacer, then the thin washer. Put it onto the bracket. Then install a thin washer and nut and do the same thing to your next rigid light. Then tighten them down with a 13mm socket and wrench. And for the KC Flex light, all you need is a thin washer to properly space it. And then you will secure it with the KC hardware. And tighten it with a 17mm wrench. Alright, this can now go on the truck. The kit comes with this rubber seal that you put around the edge of the bumper right here to protect the bracket from scratches. Okay, our fog lights can now be installed. To install this fog light bracket, we're going to be working with two holes up here. One right here and one right here. Now, you don't have to do anything to these holes to do this kit, but I do recommend drilling this one out or just making the hole a little bit bigger. It will make this install a lot easier. So you're going to lift the fog light bracket up and get it behind this plate and line up the bolt holes and install your bolts. Okay, we got that one started. We'll get the other one in. Once you get both bolts started, tighten them down with a 10mm socket. Okay, once you get both bolts tightened, repeat the process on the other bumper, and then you can move on to wiring. There's a couple different ways you could wire up these fog lights. You could use the wiring harness that comes with the lights, but we recommend this kit that we sell. It has 3 connectors on the end that connects to all the fog lights, and you can run this right to the factory auxiliary switches here, and even has a wire for halo lights or backlights if you have them. But we're going to use this harness to connect our lights to the #1 switch for our auxiliary switches. We're going to pull the end of the wiring harness up here next to the battery and run this right to our auxiliary wires. We're going to connect the yellow, blue, and green wire from our wiring harness to this green wire. This will be the #1 switch for the Raptor switches. Then run the wiring harness along the bottom of the bumper and simply plug in your lights. And now we can test them out. Okay, we got this LED fog light kit installed in our 2017 Raptor, and as you can see, it gives it a much more finished look. This is how it should have looked from the factory, and it's going to really help out when we're off-road. These things are incredibly bright. I'd say give yourself 2.5 hours to do this, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.